Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We're going to be using our VersaFine Clair inks along with our elements, and we're just going to stamp up some layers of colour, and then we're going to use some white embossing powder over the top. It's just a really simple, nice scene, but I think it's quite effective. We're using just an A6 multifarious card. It's just a white card. So we've got some colour combination going on here. We've got Twilight, Glamorous, and we've got Warm Breeze. I'm not sure whether we're going to use them all today or not, but let's get started. We've got our lovely leaf foliage here, which again, if you haven't got this particular stamp, you can use a different stamp, something with leaves in. I'm going to start with the Twilight, which is a lovely sort of navy blue colour. I use this a lot instead of black. It's not as harsh as black, but it's still very dark. So we're going straight in on the white card. Give that a good press. And then I'm going to take that a little bit further down. And that in second impression, you can see the difference, and that's gorgeous, that is. I'm going to repeat that just at the top here. And now I'm going to ink up in the Glamorous. I think this colour combination is fabulous. Really like the blues and the pinks together. Okay, so let's just go in between there where I've created a bit of a gap. And I'm going to do another one and about there. I just think that, doesn't that look effective, those colours? And of course, you know, you could experiment, you could do some greens and browns together. Okay, now I'm going to pop some houses down here, I think. So I am going to use black this time. This is the Nocturne. So carefully ink that up. Let's pop that down around about there. Good press. And then we've got our other little house. These are really handy to create foreground and background. Nice little houses. You can pop them in, I know I've done a lot with the wreaths over Christmas with the houses. They fit perfectly in the middle as well. But you can use them any time of the year. So I need my mask now, because we're going to do a bit of a snowy scene. I'm going to line that up best I can, and then taking the stencil brush, I'm going to use the Della Blue to start with, which is a nice sort of cold blue. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the graphite just on the very edge. Like so. And then taking a lot of that ink off, I'm just going to sweep over the top just to make that line there a little less harsh. So I'm going to make sure that this is dry. And then taking the anti-static bag again, I'm going to sweep that over the top. And now I'm going to do a little bit of embossing. So taking the Versamark, and now we're going to pop that down. I'm going to do another one just below. And then another one around about there. And another one just in the corner. So I've kind of staggered it going down, so the longest area is here, going up to just the edge at the top there. And now let's use our opaque vanilla white. And let's hope that it just sticks to those areas that we want it to. A little bit of a tap. A little bit more. We can tidy it up with a brush anyway. There's a couple of areas here that it's stuck to that I don't want it to. So I'm just going to tidy that up a little. I think that's it actually, so it's not too bad. There we go. Now we're going to heat that up. And you can see it's just coming through, and this just sets it in place. There we go. So we can't see that too well at the moment, but we're going to add some colour over the top of there, a darker colour, and that will really make the white pop. So we've got our Della Blue and we've got our Graphite. So I'm going to use a combination of those two colours. I'm going to keep it quite cool, which is why I'm using blues and greys. So let's just make a start. So already you can see that white jumping out now. So I'm going to deepen the colour by using the Graphite. There we go. So let's have a look. We want a yellow Posca. And we're just going to pop the lights on in the house. And that just gives it a little bit of warmth. And then we've got our white Posca, and I'm going to dot a little bit of snow about And we can tap a little at the top here as well. Just coming down slightly. And now finishing off with a little bit of glitter. We're going to use the holographic, and I've got my glue pen here, and I'm just going to dot a little, following that snow. And now the holographic glitter. Sprinkle that over the top. Put that back in. And there we go. That glitter, isn't that fab, that glitter? Love the holographic glitter. So it's a really nice sort of wintry scene. So I hope it's inspired you to have a go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me again today. You take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.